Hi guys, welcome once again to the channel. As you can see, this is going to be a simple long sleeve tutorial. As you can see, I've already folded my fabric before I thought to record. I'm sorry. So I folded my sleeve into 4. Next, I took my sleeve length of 25. I have a bit extra there because I'm going to trace it out. So 25. Next, I'm going to bring out my pattern because I'm going to use my armhole. I'll be using my armhole measurement for this. I left out the ½ inch I added for joining, and I took out my armhole measurement. I measured it out. It was giving me 9.5. We're going to take out 1.5 inches from the 9, which will give us about 8. That is what I marked out, 8 inches. I went down by 5 inches, as you can see, marked it out, and I just basically connected with a slight curve. You don't need too much curve unless you want a puff sleeve. Now for my wrist, divide my wrist into 2 plus 1 inch. My bicep, divide my bicep into 2 plus 1 inch. And that is exactly what I'm getting. Next, I use my tape to just connect it with a straight line. I don't have a long ruler, I'm sorry. But that's basically what I did. So for you out there that don't have rulers or what have you, use your tape, you get it. Now I'm just cutting it out, and that's basically about it. I'm going to take this part out. I'm going to also notch. Before I notch, let me just cross check my measurement to be sure that I'm having what I want. My sleeve length, check. My wrist, check. My bicep is also checked. Now I'm going to check the curve to see if it's going to give me 9.5, and it is giving exactly. It is giving what it's meant to give. Next, I'll be notching it. Just to make sure I know my midpoint when I'm joining my sleeves. And that's basically everything. I'm just going to be trimming out my lace because I don't want that net. We are done with it and we just want our lace tracing, and this is how it's looking. It's giving what it's meant to give. So let me just put it on my sleeve to show you, on my wrist to show you how it will look. So you can see that's basically all. I'll be doing this off camera, and that is all. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.